What's up, the John Squad? I'm here with Mickey. That's right, my dog Mickey. And today I'm going to show you what we got off Amazon for my dog Mickey. So here we go. This is an Amazon unboxing. So are you excited, Mickey? You got a present in the mail. Let's do this. What came in from Amazon? You want to take a guess? What do you think is in here? Ready? Wait, sit. Hold on, Mickey, wait. It is a rubber chicken for you, Mickey.
He never had a green one.
Yes, he has a green one.
He has a green one?
Yep. Hold on, Mickey, down.
New Celtics chicken.
Yep, new Celtics chicken. That's right. Let's go Celtics all the way this year.
Don't use your teeth.
Easy, Mickey. Settle. Look, ready? Are you ready?